Hello, I'm Luke Jackson from Jackson's Nurseries, and I'm going to talk about how to plant a containerised conifer into the garden border. I'll be planting this lovely golden variety, which is straight off the beds at our Staffordshire Garden Centre. I'm going to start by digging the planting hole to twice the width and the same depth as the conifer's container. This will encourage the roots to spread into the surrounding soil once they're in the ground. If I was planting a row of hedging, I'd insert a stake at each end, tie a piece of string between them to form a straight line, and dig the planting hole 20 to 30 centimetres wider than the root balls for the same reason. Use a fork to break up the soil at the base and around the sides of your planting hole. This is particularly important for heavy clay soils, where the clay is prone to smearing and sending the roots of your plants circling in on themselves. If I had a lighter soil, I'd also firm the ground at the base of the planting hole so the conifer doesn't sink deeper than I wanted after planting. Trim off any roots growing out of the drainage holes of your container. Then when the conifer's out of the pot, tease out the roots from the base of the root ball to encourage them to spread into the surrounding soil. I'm now going to dunk the root ball into a large bucket of water for 20 minutes before planting, allowing the water to seep into the centre of the roots. This will give your conifer a good drink before it goes into the ground. Whilst the water is seeping into the root ball, I'm going to mix the dug soil with plenty of ericaceous compost and 1/3 horticultural grit. I'm now going to carefully position the conifer into the planting hole so that the top of the root ball sits at ground level. A good way to check the planting depth is to lay a bamboo cane across the hole. At this point, it's a good idea to stand back from your conifer at various different angles to check that it's standing straight. I think we're looking pretty good here, so I'm going to start backfilling with the planting mix. Once backfilling is complete, you're ready to firm down the ground. Do this with your toe pointing towards the conifer so you're not pushing it into the ground, just firming down the surrounding soil. Give it a good, thorough water to help settle the soil. Then mulch with a generous 5cm or 2-inch layer of bark chippings. This will help suppress weeds, preserve moisture and keep the roots cool. Remember to leave a little gap so the mulch doesn't touch the base of your conifer. With the mulch done, that's conifer planting complete. For more information about conifers or to order for delivery to anywhere in the UK, please visit our website at www.jacksonsnurseries.co.uk. Thank you for listening. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more gardening advice and how-to videos. Alternatively, you can watch some of the other videos from our collection.